Year 5 and 6, Miss Stewart here. Today for your writing, I want you to write an alternative ending to the story The Juniper Tree by the Brothers Grimm. In the original story, the stepmother is crushed to death by the millstone. So I don't want you to write that ending, I want you to write a different ending. So before you start writing, do your plan. This is my plan. You can do your plan however you see fit, however you want to do it. I've got a couple of ideas I'm going to share with you. So my plan, my first idea is that the wife lives and kills her husband. Because if you remember, in the original story, the stepmother wanted to inherit her husband's money. So I'm going to think of ways that she could kill him. My other idea is that the father finds out what happens to his son and seeks revenge on his wife. So out of my two ideas, the idea I like best is the stepmother killing her husband, because in the Grimm Brothers stories they always have gruesome endings for one of the characters. So now I'm going to plan how the stepmother could kill her husband. My first idea is she could use poison. And what I was thinking, she could use poison. And what I was thinking is that she could poison the stew. So she could make another batch of stew because the husband loved the first batch of stew that contained the bones of his son. Make another batch, he greedily eats it and dies. Another idea I had is that they're in the garden and she chops the tree and it crushes her husband to death. I think out of my two main ideas, I like the idea of the poison because it links to the stew that's used earlier in the story. My other idea for my ending is just before the husband dies, he realises that what his wife is up to, and as he takes his last dying breath, he realises the wickedness, the pure wickedness in his wife's heart. And in true Grimm Brothers style, the wife is going to then live a long and prosperous life. So there's some of my ideas for my plan. Have a go at writing your own completely different ideas for your plan. See which one you like best and then start your writing. Remember, you need to consider the language the characters are going to use and how you're going to advance the action or how you're going to advance the story. Make sure you're using paragraphs and deliberate vocabulary choices as well. Look at the checklist, send me your writing. I can't wait to read your alternative endings, your different endings to the Juniper Tree. Try and be gruesome if you can. Good luck, Year 5 and 6. Take care. Bye.